Okay, Cedar, you made like a graph with your chips. So how many plain chips do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. How many salt and vinegar do you have?
2 salt and vinegars, 2 cheese flavors, and 2 barbecues, and 1 popcorn.
And 1 popcorn. And how many altogether?
And the trouble is down, they have it to bounce back. But if it's tied, they can bring it to it's called extra innings.
I'm pretty sure it's
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 bags. Now, what's the fraction of chips that you have plain? So how many bags of chips do you have? The plain ones.
7 and 13. It's like
I think there's 15 altogether. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have 7.
it's half.
Yeah, 7 out of 14. So that's half of the bags of chips are plain. What is the fraction of popcorn twists that you have?
Popcorn.
Split finger.
Suck at fractions.
That's okay. No. 1 bag out of how many total?
1 out of 13.
It's 14. You have 14 altogether.
1 out of 14.
1 out of 14. So you say 1/14. Can you say that?
114.
1/14. What is the fraction of barbecue chips that you have?
214.
2/14. Do you know how that reduces to simplify the fraction?
Simplifies.
So 2/14 would go down to 1/7.
Yeah.
So 1/7 of your chips are barbecue. Okay, what about Doritos or the cheese ones?
The cheese ones would be the same thing.
So what's the fraction?
1/7.
1/7 or 2/14. Those are called equivalent fractions. Okay. And what about salt and vinegar?
Same thing. 1/7 to 2/14.
14ths. And your popcorn twist is just 1/14. And it can't be reduced. Do you know why it can't be simplified?
Because only 1.
There's only 1. Yeah. So you can't simplify that one. Okay, well done. I like your graph. Good job.